Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be doing this very simple and easy natural brow routine. We're going to start off by taking our spoolie and brushing our hairs in an upward direction. This is just to ensure that the brows hairs are going in the same direction. So the product that I'm using is one of my favorites. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade Chocolate. I also use the pomade, so if you have the pomade and you don't have the Wiz, it works the same. So next I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. So I'm going to go in with this concealer and I'm going to line underneath my brow. This is a trick that I use that helps me avoid overlining once I go in with my pencil. So you want to just take this concealer and you just want to follow your natural line as close as possible to your brow hairs. So with this step, you just want to take your time and just get as close as possible as you can to your hair. So next you're going to see me go in and use the excess product that's on the brush just to bring down the concealer a little bit further onto my eyelid. So I'm going to go in now with my Morphe brush. It's a buffering brush, and I'm just going to buff the excess concealer just to get rid of those harsh lines underneath and make it look a little bit more seamless. So throughout this video, you're going to see me go in a couple times with this buffering brush, and that's to just make sure that I'm continuing to blend out the product so that I don't have any harsh lines and that everything looks natural and seamless. So now you're going to see me go in with my brow wiz, and I'm going to take the pencil and line right above where I lined with my concealer. Just following, I'm going to do very light strokes, so I'm using a very light hand when I'm doing this. I'm going to go in and fill in all of those sparse areas in my brows. So the importance of using a soft hand is so that you'll be able to achieve the hair-like look in the brows. So I'm going to continue to just use a very soft hand. So now you're going to see me go in, and I'm going to go back in and I'm going to take Fawn concealer again in the same flat brush. I'm going to start in the middle of my brow and slowly carve around the brow just like I did at the bottom. So I'm going to go back in right now with the Morphe brush to buff around and blend out the concealer. When you get closer to the brow line, you just want to take your time and use a soft hand as well at this part too. So I'm going to go in and continue to blend out. When you see me go closer to the line of my top brows, I'm going to use patting motions. And the reason I do that is because I don't want to move the product. I want it to stay where it's at, but I want to get rid of that harsh line that's still in the front of my brows. So I'm going to go back in with my spoolie and brush my hairs back upward because when I use the Morphe brush, it kind of pushed my hairs down. So now I'm going to go in with my NYX Control Freak. It's a clear brow gel to make sure that my brows stay in place and don't move. Alright guys, that's the end of my video. Comment down below what you would like to see me do next. Thanks for watching, guys.